Hi guys, Alicia here, your close to my heart consultant, and I'm here today with an unboxing. I ordered stuff from the new catalog. This is the Boutique Deluxe Bundle, and it's going to go with a kit. It comes with stencil film, so this we can stick in the Cricut and make stencils. And you're going to see in a second what we're going to use it with. Super excited about this. I've never played with this before, so this is new for me. And see, we're going to use texture paste. That's a shimmer brush in our new color, Sugar Plum. And then these are palette knives. So I cannot wait to start playing with this. There will definitely be videos. And it should be exciting. And next up, I got an all-purpose mat. I figured I'd need this to play with the different texture pastes that we have now. So the texture paste I showed you was the opaque matte, and then there's two other ones that Close to My Heart is selling, and they're all the Ranger brand. So here's the matte, so it's non-stick to protect your workspace. Next up we have the I Kind of Like You stamp. I thought it was adorable. I'm going to make a card for my husband with that. And I love tacos, so I had to get this taco stamp. And then this is the October stamp of the month. When you're a consultant, you get to buy the stamp of the month ahead of time. That's just one of the little perks. And here is the new color Sugar Plum. That's replacing the Bashful color. And these are shaker windows. So Close to My Heart is coming out with shaker window kits. So I'm going to be doing a video on that soon, and I'm going to use that I Think You're Kind of Cute stamp. Very excited about these. So much new stuff coming out in the catalog that launches September 1st. So this was part of my pre-order. Consultants get a month to pre-order everything. Here's the thin cuts that goes with the shaker kit. You can make the confetti. I'm showing you my ideas. You can make confetti with those, and it makes the rings to go around the outside and the inside. I also got the basic heart thin cuts and the stitched heart thin cuts, and these are nice because those two sets are different sizes, so you can nest them together. I got the stitched circles thin cuts, and this was on clearance. It's a gift card thin cut, gift card box thin cut, so I'm excited to play with that for Christmas. Along with the shaker card, or the shaker kit stuff, Close to My Heart came out with some sequins. So there's gold and silver. They're really pretty. There's little tiny ones in there. There's like little stars. Super pretty. Super sticky too. Oh, and do you see I found a teeny tiny star? And then there's the silver, all the same shapes, just more silvery. And I got some bitty sparkles because you can never have too many sparkles. And the Sugar Plum glitter gems. How gorgeous are those? So shimmery, so shiny. Love it. And now this is the boutique kit. This will be launching September 1st, like most of this stuff. And Close to My Heart's doing something a little bit differently. I'm just going to show you all the components now. Not all, so previously all the kits would do 3 layouts, and then you could buy additional supplies and make cards. And now not all of them are going to do that. This kit, you can either make the regular version or the deluxe version. So I'm going to make both. I got 2 kits to show you guys both. But the deluxe version goes with the bundle I showed you earlier with the texture paste and everything. So I don't know if I'm making sense, but there will be videos coming out in September and I'll be showing you guys all of that. And here are the compliments that come with it. As always, there's some stickers. There's usually 2 sheets of stickers. And then this one has some nice sturdy chipboard pieces. Those are also like punch out chipboard pieces. I don't know if they're quite chipboard. That's what I call them though. And now here is the paper. It has ballerina, charcoal, glacier, linen, peach, peacock, saffron, sugar plum, and white daisy is all featured in this cardstock. I think they did a great job with this kit. I bought 2, and I'm contemplating if I need to buy one more. It's just so pretty. And then there are the Picture My Life cards, and remember they're double-sided, so one side's horizontal, one side's vertical. And then that's just the cardstock that came with the kit. And then I got, oh, that's my second one. I'm super excited. Then I got some random stuff I needed. I got some of the memory protectors in the sizes I didn't have. It's styles 2 and 4. I got some craft cardstock. And then I also got a big fat bundle of 12 by 12 memory protectors. And that is it, you guys. Here's another look at the new catalog. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!